Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Unique Dija here. On today's episode we are going to be taking tutorial on how to make soy milk, aka vita milk, homemade. If you want to know how I make my own, please relax and watch to the end. So guys, here is my soya beans, raw soya beans. This is 3 cups of soya beans. I'll be soaking it for 5 hours or overnight. This is the already soaked soya beans. So after you might have soaked it, you wash it the way you wash your beans for akara or moi moi. So I'll be washing it to get rid of the chaff. You can as well do it like that without washing it, but I'll be washing this one a bit. I must not get rid of all the chaff, so I'll be washing it. This one we have to use our hand to peel the back. You can see the back is like beans. So I've washed it. I'll be blending it. Blend it to smooth. Add it to your blender and add water so that it can blend well. So here I'm through blending everything. So I'll be adding half water of the quantity of the soya beans. That is the quantity of your soya beans. You measure it, half water of it, and mix it so that the milk can come out very well. So here is me trying to sieve it with my sieve. So I'm using a cloth. So I'm through sieving it. The chaff still have milk, so I'll be adding a little water and sieve again to get out the milk that is still in the chaff. Just a little water, not much. So I'll sieve it out. So I'm done sieving it. This is the milk. So I'll be pouring it inside the pot so that I can put it on fire. So guys, when you put it on fire, don't leave it unattended to. Stay with it and be turning it. You have to be turning it always. So here is hot, but it's not boiled yet. So you can see it boiling now. It's boiling, and the bean smell is not that much again because it's turning to our vita milk. So for you to know that it's ready, you'll be seeing slimy this thing on top of it. You can see it. I use fork to carry it up. When you see all those slimy things, that means it's ready. Just leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes more. You can test it to test whether it's not tasting beans again. Then you know your vita milk, your soya milk is ready. So here is me trying to sieve it again to get rid of any chaff or anyone that burnt under. Be careful because it's still very hot. So you can see the chaff that still come out of it. So guys, our milk is ready. I'll be adding half cup of sugar. You can add any sweetener of your choice. You can add dates, which is debino. Add any sweetener of your choice. So I'll be adding in banana flavor. You can add vanilla flavor, pineapple flavor, any flavor you like. But this one I'll be adding in banana flavor. 1 cup banana flavor. That cup is as well as 1 teaspoon. So mix it. You can serve it hot or cold, any of your choice. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched to this extent, please like, subscribe and share. See you all in my next video. Bye.